When I'm trying to help somebody get better glutes, to get them to really show up and work for their exercises, I want to check to make sure that we have full range of motion in the hip to be able to help give the glutes a place to work from. So hip internal rotation is incredibly important for maximizing our glute max. Our glute max does external rotation. So our glute max is our propel us forward, push, generate pressure, generate force. So our glute max is going to really move us. Internal rotation is going to help absorb forces, all right? It's going to help wind up, get ready to explode. So when we have that counter internal to our external, we're going to be able to generate a lot more force and power. So what I want you to do is take a moment and check your rotation range. So what we're looking for is, this is external rotation range, and this is internal rotation range. Now, if you go to check your internal rotation range and you just can't get very far, you're stopping here, then that's telling me you might not be able to fully access your glute max because you can't get the wind up. So give that a check and see if you have about 35 degrees or so of internal rotation range, or you feel like, whoo, I can move my foot like 5 degrees when I check over, because then that's going to be important for that ability of that glute max to produce that power to be able to really generate a lot of force. So we need internal rotation to be able to maximize external rotation.